3, 2, 1, go! Oh, we have a winner! The winner is... Puro harot! Puro harot! Ay, nagselos, nagselos. Nagselos. And the winner is Team A!
Okay, 50 each. Oh, 50.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dennis! Alright! Alright! Four, 3, 2, 1, go!
Mamaya. Malapit na.
Wow!
Isa?
It's a seconds only. Wow! At least
Okay.
1 second. And the winner is Team A. Thank you so much. Another 50. Just head, shoulder, knees, toes. Head, shoulder, knees, toes, cup. Head, shoulder, knees, toes.
Mother, bilis-bilisan mo.
Okay.
Yung confusing.
Okay. Head, shoulder, knees, toes. Head, shoulder, knees, toes, cup. Sorry. Sorry.
Dito na lang, mas malayo.
Okay.
You go there. Para mas malayo, you go there.
Okay.
I-shuffle mo, wag yung ano.
Okay. So, for the final round, who's in favor in Myanmar? Philippines!
Myanmar!
Alright. So, let's start the game with the head, toes, shoulder, knees, shoulder, toes, head, shoulder,
Bilisan mo, mother.
shoulder, knees, toes, head, cup.
Oh, Julie!
Yay! Okay.
Yeah!
Ready na.
Okay.
Okay.